Welcome. Now we are going to discuss batch-wise details and expiry dates. Let us assume we have to record the purchase and sales of Crocin tablets. Then, at the time of purchase, how to manually input the batch number and expiry date. At the time of sales, how to select a batch number from the existing batches. How to view batch-wise closing stock report. And also the required settings to use batch numbers has been discussed in the presentation. So all these options are related to batch numbers. So we will see batch numbers now. If batch numbers are not applicable, then we use this NA. So if we require alphanumeric batch numbers, then we choose this alphanumeric. If expiry dates are required, then check this option, input manufacturing dates. So in a purchase or sales invoice, we will be getting these columns additionally, batch number, expiry date and manufacturing date when we check these options. So you will find in a purchase voucher, batch number, it can be Jan 101. So when this is going to expire, expiry date we have to enter. So manufacturing date, so at the time of sales entry, the details will appear Jan 101. So which one we are selling now, we have to select from this window. So let us assume we are selling Jan 101 batch. We have selected selling rate. Now basing on that, we have a report in inventory menu which will display batch wise stock details. So totally we are having 1990 tablets. So out of which 1000 belongs to February batch, 990 belongs to Jan 101. So when this is going to expire, what is the manufacturing date, the whole details will appear. So we have few more options related to batch wise. Those options are, in order to enter only numeric batch number, we have to choose this. In order to get the auto incremented batch number, we have to use this auto. Next is maintain godown wise batches. So if we check this option, godown wise batches will be maintained. Maintain batch wise rates. So for each batch, if we have a separate rate, then this option is used. Allow negative batch quantities. So it will allow the negative batch quantity. Cannot sell batches that would expire in next 6 months. If we check this option, the user will not be able to sell the product which is going to expire within 6 months. Next, load all details related to the batch into issues. So if we check this option, some additional information we may have recorded that will also display in the issues pop-up window. So next is sort batches expiry date wise. If we check this option, batches will be sorted expiry date wise. Ignore day in expiry. If we check this option, so the user will not be able to record the day. It is not mandatory to enter the day over here. If we check this, do not accept duplicate batches in inverts documents. So it will not allow you to record the same batch number in the inverts. Suggest the next batch number in inverts document. If we check this option, it will automatically suggest the next batch number for the particular product. Do not club batches with different manufacturing date and expiry dates. So if we check this option, it will not club with different manufacturing date and expiry date. Load batches from reservation while releasing. In order to load the batches from reservation,